This math types of rules of allegation related math. This math was coming preliminary and written exam of many different banks. The math says a merchant has 1000 kg of sugar, part of which he sells at 8% profit and the rest at 18% profit. He gains 14% on the whole. The quantity in kg sold at 18% profit. This 8 per shortcut method, 8%, this 18%. 14% whole. On the whole, 18 minus 14, 4. 18 minus 8, 6. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 18 minus 4 equals 4. This is shortcut method of this math. This find out 18%. Find out 18% profit. This 18% means 6%, means total 6 plus 4. 4 plus 6 multiply 1000. 6 by 10, 1000. 0 0 cancel, 600. Answer 18% profit, 6 kg, 600 kg. In this math will written solution. This let 18% profit be x, remaining 8% profit 1000 minus x. ATQ 18% multiply x plus 8% multiply 1000 minus x equal 14% of 1000. This 18x plus 18,000 minus 8x equal 14. Calculation 14,000. This x equals 600 kg. 18% profit be 600 kg. This math answer 6, quantity 18% profit 600 kg. Thank you.